Yes, I have to find my email, my Gmail. So here it is. So it's already open now. I have to press this 9 dots, and then since I will be using Google Forms, so we'll find here the Google Forms here. Okay, so just press it and wait for it. Now I have some of my files here, but for the purpose of demonstrating what we gonna do from scratch is this one. So we have to press this and edit. Now we're here. So okay, just close that and then have a title. So for example, I will be doing a question. Sorry about that. So form quiz 1, for example, quiz bakit ayaw niya? Quiz 1. Okay, DS. Okay, then sige, we'll erase this one. Okay, now if you want to do it bold, just do like that. Okay, then have some instructions here. Answer the following questions. Okay, so for example, we have here instruction. That one. Then read carefully. Okay, read carefully and carefully and answer the following questions. So for example, question number 1. So for example, what are the words behind the acronym DS. Okay, so then so we'll have here short answer. Okay, then required, then let's do the more option, response validation. Okay, so let's put here number greater than. What do we mean by that? So text. Okay, next we have here the an email. So okay, text, then custom error text. So for example, disciplines and ideas in the apply applied social sciences. And there. Okay. So, that's it. Next, a short answer. Okay, then, if you want to add a question, just do this. Okay, so